Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra is making waves with its stellar battery performance, outshining not just its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, but also rivals like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Pixel 8 Pro in various tests. In a showdown that pitted these flagship devices against each other using apps and games, the S24 Ultra lasted nearly 11 hours on a single charge, proving its superior chipset and software optimizations are not just for show but significantly boost efficiency. Interestingly, when TechDroider threw these phones into a battery drain battle involving gaming, 4K video streaming, and web browsing, results varied. The S24 Ultra held its own but was edged out by the iPhone 15 Pro Max in endurance, highlighting the importance of considering factors like screen resolution and battery size when comparing devices. A separate test focused on web browsing on 5G saw the S24 Ultra shine again with over 16 hours of battery life, thanks to its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor that enhances efficiency by 25%. Beyond battery life, Samsung is bringing Galaxy S24's advanced camera features to older Galaxy models. Updates will include improved single-take, long exposure options, AI upscaling, HDR video support, and cross-device video editing capabilities. These enhancements, along with a new approach to color processing that aligns with industry leaders like Apple and Google, promise to elevate photography and video making across Samsung devices. The S24 Ultra not only sets a new benchmark for battery life but also highlights Samsung's dedication to pushing the envelope with technology that enhances user experience across its ecosystem.